everyone, welcome to Barista Supplies. My name is Mook, it's me again, and today we are about to unbox the new tool that has just come in our website, baristasupplies.com.au. So we'll take a closer look on, ta-da! It's the AutoComb. Let's take a look what's inside, what comes in the box and how it works. You might have seen this tool around coffee competition or over social media, but today we're going to take a closer look of what's in the box, how it works, and let's go. So this is the AutoComb. It does come with 12 needles inside them with 0.25 millimeters diameter. And it's compatible with most of 58 millimeters portafilter. And most of the basket too, any size up to 25 grams. The needle here, you can adjust it by the tabs on the side here. If you need to adjust or change or service, you can use the Allen key that comes with the little bits and bobs here for service. You can change the needles. It does come with the tools inside the box here. Let's take a look what's inside the box. So in the box there is this. Also it does come with more needles for you to adjust or change needles. Also the Allen key for these parts on the side here and any parts of the AutoComb. And yes, the AutoComb is available on our website, baristasupplies.com.au. So this is the AutoComb. It does come with 12 needles inside them with 0.25 millimeters diameter. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button or comment on if you want to see any products in particular. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.